G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alrighty, tonight we are making cheese and chive muffins. Now I think I made these before with a soup, but not everybody eats soup, so not everybody would have seen these, and they absolutely deserve their own video. I love just eating them on their own, nice and hot out the oven with a big wad of butter, but they are absolutely brilliant as a tummy filler with your soups, stews, casseroles. I've even made them with spag bog before. I'll write the recipe below as always. So we need to preheat our ovens at 200 degrees Celsius. Next we need a 6-hole Texas muffin tin. We want to rub butter around the insides of them. Then we want to tip a bit of plain flour in them, go over to the sink, knock it all around it, tip it upside down and tap it on the sink and get the excess out, and it will look like that. Now we need 2 cups of self-raising flour in a large bowl, 100 grams of butter chopped up, 3/4 of a cup of fresh chives chopped. If you don't have fresh chives, I would use about 3 tablespoons of dry, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, half a teaspoon of dried chili flakes. We need 1 cup of finely grated cheddar cheese. I've got a grated tasty cheese, so that will do. I've got 1 cup of that. We're going to need 2 eggs lightly whisked up with a fork, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So first thing we want to do is grab our 2 cups of self-raising flour. We want to add our 100 grams of chopped butter, and with our fingertips we want to squeeze it all into the flour until it looks like breadcrumbs. Once we've done that and our flour looks like breadcrumbs, we want to add our chopped fresh chives or our dry chives, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, half a teaspoon of dried chili flakes, our 1 cup of grated cheddar or tasty. Mix them through. Stick a hole in the middle. 1 cup of milk, our 2 eggs whisked, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we just want to mix it up until it's just all mixed through. Alright, and now from memory we want to half fill our tins, I think it works out to. Once we've done that, as soon as our oven is up to temperature, bang them in there. Alright, today they took 25 minutes in my plain electric oven, and mate, it smells friggin' amazing in here. These have to be my absolute favourite savoury muffins. So you just get a skewer, stick it in, comes out nice and clean. She's ready. Okay, so the easiest way to get them out is lift it up nice and high, shake them a little bit to loosen them, and just pull them out. See how they come out beautiful like that? That's because of the butter and flour. If you haven't given these a crack yet, you absolutely must. They're insane. This is beautiful softness, and oh my god, mate, they're so good. Well, there you have it, lovelies. The best savoury muffins ever. Have yourselves an awesome week. Thank you so much for watching. Toodles.